Hey, welcome back everyone, I'm Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to do a plunge cut with a circular saw. Knowing how to do a plunge cut comes in really handy around the house. For instance, if you have a section of hardwood floors that needs to be cut out, you can use a plunge cut with a circular saw. Or maybe you're putting in a countertop and need to cut the hole out for the kitchen sink. You can use a plunge cut with a circular saw. Knowing how to do this cut is going to come in really handy. So, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is raise your blade guard and set your blade to the proper depth. You should have about a fingernail sticking out below the depth of the wood. It's always a good idea to wear a dust mask, safety glasses, and hearing protection anytime you're cutting any wood. For this, I'm cutting out a large wooden pull-orb frame, and I'll link to that at the end of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. It's also a good idea to clamp your wood because you do not want it moving while you're doing this. So here are the steps. Raise your blade guard, lift your saw up, line up your guide in the front of your saw, get your blade going at full speed and line it up with your line that you're going to be cutting. Plunge your blade through the wood, and after it's through the wood, release your blade guard. Then go ahead and run your cut. It might sound difficult, but it's really not, and I promise you'll get it right away. So here it is again. Raise your blade guard, tip your saw up, line up your guard, get your blade at full speed, line up your line, plunge your blade through the wood, release your guard, and then run your cut. Now take note that I'm standing to the side of the saw. Always stand to the side and never directly behind your saw, and this is what your cut is going to look like. Here's what you don't want to do. Use an old saw with an old blade and burn the wood. This is no good. Hope you liked the video, hopes that it helped out. Please check out willingtobuild.com and let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, good building, and we'll see you soon. Take care.